Okay, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 60, Part 15. I've just drawn with pencil 5 tongues. We've got a 5-tongued allegorical sea monster. Certainly fits for Trump with his incessant lies. Admiration for murderous dictator Qaddafi of Libya. Okay, I'm going to start with some pink. Budgies, how are we doing? Okay, people having dinner? Got a sleep time in about 40 minutes, okay? Oh, good, you're eating. They're both eating. Very good. Your mamas would like that. Wherever they are. I don't know where they are. Okay, that's on kind of pink paper, so we get some white here. And then I'm going to I'll add some red with colored pencil. That's right, yep. That's right, that's right. Thank you, Dr. Shi. Okay, coming along. Got a little nice little red. That'll work. Oh, very good, very good. Okay. All right, to be continued.